Welcome to our channel. Today, we have come up with an amazing video on how to make money online. This is a very simple and easy way to make money online. If you want to make money, then follow along and I'll tell you how. UDashCubes.com is the website where you can earn online by visiting other websites, completing surveys, and watching videos. To sign up for a free account, you just have to click on the sign up option, where you will fill up your details. After filling up your details, you just have to click on the register button. From there, you can watch YouTube videos for just 30 seconds and you will be paid. You can use your phone and your computer at the same time to watch more videos to get paid. To make your video faster, click on the settings option and increase the speed of your video 2 times, which will save your time as well. Moving on to the next website where we can make money by watching videos, this website is Buxinside.com. They pay every 10 seconds. To make a free account, you just have to register yourself by filling up the information they ask you and clicking on the registered button. The third website is FusionCash.com. It gives you a $5 bonus when you sign up for a free account. Click on Get $5 and then enter your details and click on the Register option. You can watch different videos and get paid. You can also play games on this and make money. The fourth website is Irazu.com, where you can earn different gift cards and cash. You can join this website for free and then start watching videos and earn coins. You can convert the rewards to PayPal money. Click on Get Started, where you will be taken to another page where you will fill up the data required. The dashboard will appear after you log in. Hope you liked that video and found it helpful. Do like, comment, and share. Also, press the bell icon for future updates.